Hello, Jason Hopkins here, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, is email marketing dead? Now, before I dive right in, I want you to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to smash that bell notification so that you're not missing out on any future content that I provide. Now, since being in the make money online industry since 2012, I've seen a lot of changes, and one of them is email marketing. It has been and still one of the most effective tools available that's going to help you build relationships with your leads and your customers. But it's also one of the most confusing if you don't know what you're doing. So I decided to make this video to show you just how easy it is to get started with email marketing. Now, first off, let me tell you why email marketing is so important. What it's going to do, it's going to give you an opportunity for you to build relationships with your customers before they even buy anything from you. And once they start getting to know you, then they'll start to like and start to trust you. You can use a tool that's called a autoresponder to ask questions about their interests or their needs. And you want to create valuable content, and be sure to tie a story to that content that's going to help solve your target audience's problems. And from there, if they make a decision to purchase something from you later on down the line, they're going to recognize who you are, and they'll trust your brand because they've been interacting with you for such a very long time. Now, one of the best things about email marketing is once you start building your list, either on social media or using, like I said, an autoresponder, the difference between the two of those is with email marketing, it is traffic that you control. So that means you'll have a list that always stays with you, as opposed to when you're using Facebook and YouTube, that's traffic someone else controls. You don't control that traffic, someone else do. So worst case scenario, if you get your accounts banned from either Facebook or YouTube, no more lists. All your contacts are gone forever. But with email marketing, you always have that list. It always stays with you using an autoresponder. Now, I hope this was helpful to you, and if it was, I want you to go ahead and smash that bell. I want you to smash that like button, and also leave a comment below. And if you're open to learning more about my #1 recommended program, be sure to hit that first link in the description box below this video. And from there, you'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and you're going to put your email. Also, check out my #1 recommended autoresponder tool so you can get started today. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.